Hello.
Hi.
Come on. Well, do you want to come in, come out? How do you want to do it?
Well, I'm a little confused, to be honest with you.
Okay, tell me.
So it says I'm dispatched for air conditioning not working. And when I woke up this morning, it was 43 degrees out.
I know. So,
but I know the holiday.
Well, you know what? It's like, what am I going to do it now, or wait till when everyone's busy at the end of the beginning of the next season? So
Okay.
I figured, So
tell me what's going on. It's not working. What's it doing?
It was on over the last holidays,
Okay.
and then we noticed on the last day of I guess it was Shabbos, it was getting warm in the house.
Okay.
And then
Did you feel any air coming out of the vents?
No
air coming out of the
Nothing
vents.
was on.
Nothing was on.
And it was 83 degrees. And
okay, let's start at the thermostat. 10.
I'm telling you, had all kinds of numbers.
I think maybe it's in Celsius. Let's see. Nope, 73 there. 10. And your wife said it said 99 before?
I looked at it also. It said 99, and then she looked it up online, and it said 99 meant that there was a blockage in the condenser. I said, wow, it even problem solved. That's
wow,
amazing.
I'm impressed. It's a regular, just plain old thermostat, like a plain old telephone line,
and then
POTS line.
And then when I was looking, then it changed to 00. So I said, oh, I don't know.
All right, no power at R. So I jumped out R to G. And let's go upstairs to the attic. See what we got. Yep. We got a pan full of water. This is one of those cases where he could have waited until next year and it would have backed up again then too. That's creative. I hope there's a float switch on the other side. What do you guys think? Could that be the float switch? Yep, sure is. Watch what happens. I love peanut butter sandwiches. So we got drain issues. We have, looks like 1/2-inch ABS PVC piping here. From 3/4 PVC piping. You know what? They really need a tune-up. It's pretty creative. They roll up duct tape in the Poland Spring bottle. See that? All right, I took the cap off of the vent tee here, and then I got my my mouth on this big white thing. And I blew on it. And now we got water flowing. Pretty cool, huh? Look at that. Switch activated again. I'm gonna see if I could lift this up and get some water on the other side out of the drain. We're still flowing though, so that's a good thing. Yeah, she's flowing. Alright, I did my best. We're going to recommend that since it's literally 58 degrees outside that we come back in the spring before the start of the cooling season, do some real maintenance on here because right now it's just too cold out to do test pressures, you know, subcooling, things like that. But what I can do is get the model number of this equipment. Right there, ICP. Beautiful. Make note of it and put some notes into House Call Pro under Property Profile. And that way when we come back here, we know exactly what's going on in this attic. So ladies and gentlemen, if you live in the New York City metropolitan Long Island area, and you're tired of being bamboozled by your HVAC or plumbing contractor, give me a call. Rain or shine, day or night, summer or winter, I got you back. 516-348-6300, or save time. Book online at pipedoc.net. Catch you on the next one. Be well. God bless. Stay safe.